Tired of bills piling up and the constant worry of missing a payment? Let's dive into how you can streamline your AT&T billing and finally stop those physical bills from arriving. First, head over to the AT&T website or open up your AT&T app. You'll need to log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Billing and Payments section. This is where all your billing information and management options are located. Now, the key to stopping those paper bills is to go paperless. Find the option for paperless billing or go paperless. Click on that option, and you'll likely see a toggle switch. Simply switch it to the on position. You might need to confirm your email address to ensure this is where your statements will be sent. Next, let's talk about making payments effortless. Look for automatic payments or AutoPay. Here, you can link your preferred payment method, a circumflex euros, a bank account or credit card. You can then set it up to automatically pay your bill each month. This is a fantastic way to avoid late fees and save yourself a trip to the payment portal. By opting for paperless billing and setting up automatic payments, you're not just stopping the mail. You're simplifying your financial life and ensuring your AT&T service stays uninterrupted. Give it a try on your AT&T account today.